Hey there! Let's talk about something thrilling, exciting, and absolutely riveting. Withholding tax. Okay, I mean, maybe not thrilling, but stick with me because I'm about to make it simple. And hey, knowing how to do this could make you the hero of payroll. That's worth a little celebration, right? But first, what is withholding tax? Simply put, it's money you as an employer take out of your employee's paycheck for the government before your employee receives it. The amount withheld changes based on the employee's income, filing status, and other information on their W-4. So how do you calculate withholding tax? Step 1, gather relevant documents. First things first, here's what you need. Your employee's W-4 forms, their gross pay for the period, IRS publication 15T. What's that, you ask? This is a document that walks you through all the steps calculating withholding and tells you exactly what information to gather from your employer. Think of it as your payroll GPS. Got everything? Awesome. Let's keep rolling. Step 2, review the W-4 forms. The W-4 is your employee's cheat sheet for payroll. It tells you their filing status, dependents for tax credits, if they got a side hustle or need extra tax withheld. By the way, W-4 forms got a makeover in 2020. Instead of using allowances, employees now provide details like their filing status, dependents, and any extra withholdings. It's a simpler, more accurate process that makes payroll calculations much easier. Thank you, IRS. Step 3, check payroll details. What's the pay period? Weekly? Bi-weekly? Then look at each employee's gross pay. Basically, their pre-deductions paycheck. You'll need all this information for your calculations to ensure employees are paying the right amount. Step 4, choose a calculation method. Here comes the important part. You have 2 main options. The wage bracket method isn't just simple, it's practically foolproof. With pre-calculated tax amounts based on wages and filing status, it's like having the answers to the payroll pop quiz. No guesswork, no stress, and it keeps you on the IRS's good side. A win-win. The percentage method is great for complex situations, like variable pay or extra deductions. Things like the child tax credit, dependents, or charitable donations can lower withholding. Publication 15T explains it step by step, but if time isn't on your side, payroll software can handle the calculations automatically, saving you time and hassle. Oh, and don't forget about state and local income and payroll taxes. They're just as important as federal withholdings. Check your local regulations to stay compliant. Something to keep in mind, withholding errors can create headaches for everyone. If you under-withhold, employees might owe a larger sum during tax season. Over-withholding, on the other hand, reduces employees' take-home pay unnecessarily. Neither scenario is ideal. Accuracy is key. Here are a few tips for minimizing withholding errors. Encourage employees to review and update their W-4 forms regularly. This is especially important after life changes like marriage, having a child, or a new job. Share resources like the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator to help employees understand their withholding obligations. Automate payroll processes from software like FreshBooks Payroll. It's a reliable way to calculate withholding accurately and save time. Now, if this feels like a lot, don't worry. Imagine how much smoother tax time will be when your employees don't call you in a panic. Plus, payroll software like FreshBooks can do the heavy lifting for you. You just enter all the necessary information and boom, all the tax withholdings are calculated for you. And there you have it. Withholding tax doesn't have to be complicated. With a little preparation and the right tools, you can make payroll a breeze. For more tips, check out freshbooks.com. You'll find the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and remember, you got this.